So there are three parts of this analysis of the text we're going to look at. So we're going to consider what the character's objective is, what their cap is, then what their tactics are. So what's their objective? What are they trying to achieve? The cap, how would we physically know that they'd achieved it? And also tactically, what are they going to do in order to try and achieve their cap? So just tell us what you think their objective is.
I think Alice's objective is to challenge Adrian and to justify her self-identity and her sexual orientation.
Brilliant. And then what would be the cap of that? So how would you know that you'd achieve that?
My cap would be that Adrian would leave the apartment.
Perfect. Great. And then lastly, what do you think her tactic is, or her first tactic, the first thing she tries to do in order to try and achieve the objective and the cap?
Her first tactic would be to justify.
Great. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the monologue again from the beginning. I'll say 3, 2, 1, action, pause, give yourself as long as you need, and then we'll run the monologue again.
Okay.
Great, okay. So you're all good to go?
Mm-hmm.
Right. 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old, at a birthday party, at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on and I didn't know what. And then all at once it hit me. And I realized, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried really hard to make it go away and it didn't. And even when I was going out with boys, even when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say it, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls. And I've always liked girls. And I still like girls, so who are you to tell me that I don't? And I've accepted everything that you've said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am. And why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace her with someone that I don't. Someone I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man, Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.